Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat fractional quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora. Now in today's DILR set of the day, we are going to discuss a very interesting set on selections. And before I move to the set, like I always say, if you are not a part of our Facebook group or our Telegram group, then you are in a big loss, right? It is a must for every aspirant. Also, if you want to receive all the important links in your inbox, you can always just fill the form in the Google description of this YouTube video. आपको वो फॉर्म फिल करने पे सारे इंपॉर्टेंट लिंक्स आपके इनबॉक्स में आ जाएंगे. Just fill the form, save the number and send me a text. Right now, let's see what today's set is all about. It says recently Team India announced their 15-man squad for the upcoming series. Team selection will depend upon the type of pitch. Following constraints govern the situation. So these are some of the constraints. These are the 15 people selected and these are the questions. So let me write the constraints. Right. I request you all to pause the video and try it. Right. And after that we will move towards the solution. Right. I hope you have all moved toward the solution. And like I always go, why quantifiers? Because your individual entity will be counted over here. There are a lot of institutes which have a humongous number of students, right? And they missed on the most crucial aspect of an MBA, that is the personal attention. You will surely get this here. Okay. Now let's see the set. Let's start writing everything down. Okay. So on a spinning track, they will have to go for this. Okay. On a flat track, this. On a grass pitch. Okay. Pandya is an all-rounder who can be used as a spin bowler. So Pandya can be used as a spin bowler. While Jadeja is an all-rounder who can bowl fast. So Jadeja is a pacer or a fast bowler, right? So I have written this down just in case we need any help. Okay. Bumrah and Shami cannot partner with each other. So Bumrah and Shami, they cannot partner with each other. So this is either Bumrah or Shami, right? One of them. Okay. And Rohit always plays when Dhawan plays. So if Dhawan is there, only then Rohit can play. Only then Rohit can play. Right. So Dhawan is an important condition for Rohit. Now most of the people do one mistake here. वो समझते हैं that Dhawan and Rohit are a pair. They consider Dhawan and Rohit as a player, as a pair. But this is not right. Right. Dhawan is the eligibility criteria for Rohit. Dhawan is the eligibility criteria for Rohit, which means that if Dhawan is playing, then yes, you can select Rohit, and if Dhawan is not playing, you cannot select Rohit. Which means you can play Dhawan alone in the team. आप धवन को अकेले भी टीम में लेके आ सकते हो. Right? Remember this thing. Okay. Okay. Virat, Rahul, and Shreyas are similar batsmen, and max two of them can play at a time. So Virat, Shreyas, and Rahul. These are the similar, and at most two can play at a time. So we can select zero out of them, one out of them, two out of them. We cannot select three out of these three, right? At most two. Okay. Rishabh is preferred when the number of fast bowlers playing is equal to the spinners. So if the number of fast bowlers is greater than or equal to spinners, then Rishabh is preferred. And Sanju is preferred when fast bowler is less than or equal to spinners. So if the fast bowlers are less than or equal to spin bowlers, then Sanju is preferred. Which means when the fast bowlers will be equal to spin bowlers, you can select either Rishabh or Sanju. But if fast bowlers are more, you will select one person. Okay, done. Exactly one of Mayank and Virat must play in a team. So Virat and Mayank, exactly one must play. Exactly one. So if Virat is playing, Mayank is not playing, Mayank is playing, Virat is not playing. Simple as that. Okay. An all-rounder is a player who can both bat and ball, whereas a proper batsman and proper bowler can only bowl the bat. So these can be considered as bowler also. These can be considered as batsman also, but I cannot include them as a proper batsman. Right. So these six are the proper batsmen that I have. Okay. Only one among Rishabh and Sanju gets a chance. So Rishabh and Sanju both cannot be selected. One of them has to be selected. Okay. A wicket keeper can be said to a batsman is neither considered a proper batsman nor a proper bowler, obviously. Okay, done. Okay. Now let's read the questions. In how many ways can proper batsman be selected if coach try to minimize the proper batsman? Now the coach is trying to minimize the people from these six. I have to minimize these six people. If I have to minimize these, I will try to maximize everything else, and I am only concerned about in how many ways I can select a batsman, right? So let us try to maximize the bowlers first, right? A team has the following composition. There are some batsmen, there is a keeper, there is an all-rounder, and there are bowlers, right? So these are the four vital components. Since I need to minimize the batsmen, so let us see how many maximum bowlers I can choose. I cannot choose both Bhuvi and Shami. Shami and Bumrah. So one from Shami and Bumrah. Let us say I am selecting. This is one. Second, let us say I am selecting Bhuvneshwar, Bhuvi. I am selecting Ashwin and Chahal. So remember this, out of the proper bowlers, I can choose at most four bowlers. I can choose at most four bowlers out of the proper bowlers. And how many ways are these? These are the two ways to select them, right? Either Shami, Ash, Chahar and Bhuvi, or Bumrah, Ash, Chahar and Bhuvi. So these are the two ways. All-rounder is Jadeja and Pandya. So all-rounder is either Jadeja or Pandya, and I am selecting both of them. I am selecting both of them here. Okay. Now this means that number of fast bowlers are equal to number of batsmen. So select two all-rounders. The only way to select this is one way. In one way, I can select both the all-rounders. Since I have now equal number of fast bowlers and spinners, therefore any of Sanju or Rishabh can come. So basically, wicketkeeper can be chosen in two ways. Wicketkeeper can be chosen in two ways. Two ways are for the bowlers. One is for all-rounder. Two is for wicketkeeper. Now, how many people I have selected? I have selected one wicket keeper, two all-rounders, four bowlers. So total I have selected seven players, which means I need four more batsmen. I need four more batsmen. Now the question is, in how many ways I can choose four batsmen out of these six? In how many ways I can choose four batsmen out of these six? Most vital criteria is one among Virat and Mayank must be there. So I will take two cases. Let us take Virat first. If I am taking Virat first, which means out of Shreyas and Rahul, only one more can come, right? See, if I am taking Virat, Mayank is out. Out of Shreyas and Rahul, I can select only one. Since I need four batsmen, which means Rohit and Dhawan both will come. Rohit and Dhawan both will come. So that completes my criteria with Virat Kohli. So if Virat Kohli is there, the batsman can be selected in two ways. If Virat Kohli is there, batsman can be selected in two ways. Okay. Let us say Virat Kohli is not there. So if I am taking Mayank now, if I am taking Mayank, okay. Let us say I'm not taking Virat. I'm taking Mayank. Now I'm taking Mayank, which means Virat is not there. Okay. Now I can take Rahul and Shreyas, both Rohit and Dhawan, both. Okay. Okay. So again, so one criteria would be to select Rahul, to select Shreyas, and then to select Dhawan. Right, this can be one case. Right, other case could be I am taking Mayank. Right, I have a choice between. Right, I can make it an option that one from Rahul and Shreyas is playing. Right, and then I am taking these two, Rohit and Dhawan both. Rohit and Dhawan both. So how many ways I can select this now? I can select this in two ways. Mayank, Rahul, Rohit and Dhawan, या फिर Mayank, Shreyas, Rohit and Dhawan. These are the two cases. So 2 plus 1 plus 2, these are 5 ways in which I can select a batsman. These are 5 ways in which I can select a batsman. So 5 ways to select a batsman. And if someone asks me what are the total number of ways, the total number of ways would be 5 into into 2 ways to choose a wicket keeper, into one way to choose a bowler and two ways to choose a, sorry, one way to choose a all-rounder and two ways to choose a bowler. So 20 ways are the total number of ways in which I have three spinners and three fast bowlers. These are the total 20 ways in which there are three spinners and three fast bowlers, right? And I can say that when I am taking four batsmen, if I am taking four batsmen, there are 20 ways, right? So this result might be used ahead, right? This result might be used ahead. So let me now remove this. Remember that if there are four batsmen, batsmen can be chosen in five ways, while the whole team, in case of four batsmen, was chosen in 20 ways, right? Okay, let's move ahead. On a spinning track, how many combinations of player is possible? Now, what is the basic condition of a spinning track? That there should be at least three spinners and at least two fast bowlers. So at least three spinners, which means you have to take Ashwin, you have to take Chahal, and you have to take Pandya also, and at least two fast bowlers. Now there have to be two fast bowlers, and they are not the proper fast bowlers, right? So they can be anything. So okay, now there are two fast bowlers. Let us make cases here again, right? Can I select three fast bowlers also? Yes, you can select three fast bowlers also. So if in case I am selecting three fast bowlers, it will be a very same case of what we have done right here, right? If there are three fast bowlers, right, in the spin criteria, which means here I am selecting either Bumrah or Shami. I am taking Bhuvi. I am taking Jadeja. I am selecting any of these two, and there are four batsmen which can be chosen in five ways, 5 into 2 into 2. So these are 20 ways. These are 20 ways which will work here also. Now let me think of a criteria when the number of spin bowlers are more than pace bowler, which means I am selecting only two fast bowlers. Now in how many ways I can choose two fast bowlers? In how many ways I can choose two fast bowlers? Let us say, okay, let us say I am selecting one from Bumrah and Shami and one from Bhuvneshwar and this Bhuvneshwar and our Jadeja. Right, one, only one. So basically, in how many ways I can select a fast bowler right now? Right now, if I am playing one among Bhuvi and Bumreshwar and sorry, if I am playing one from Bumrah and Shami, then there are two choices for Bumrah and Shami, and there are two choices for Bumrah and Jadeja. So there are four ways. There are four ways, which means what are the total number of people up to this point? I am selecting two fast bowlers, three spinners. So there are five players up to this point. Wicket keeper, I only have one choice now. Since spinners are more, which means Sanju will play here. And I have to select five batsmen. I have to select five batsmen. Now, in how many ways I can select five batsmen? See, it's not a difficult task. I know that one from Virat and Mayank will play. If I am taking Virat, if I am taking Virat, which means I cannot take Mayank. Now there are five batsmen left, and I cannot select Virat, Rahul, and Shreyas. I can select at most two, which means if I have to take five batsmen, I cannot play Virat. क्योंकि अगर मैं विराट को खिलाता हूं ना, तो मैं श्रेयस और राहुल में से किसी एक को ले पाऊंगा, तो वहां पे दो हो गए, मयंक वैसे ही नहीं आएगा, तो हमारे पास पांच बैट्समैन हो ही नहीं सकते. Which means there is only one way, that is to not select Virat, then I will select Mayank, Shreyas, Rahul, Dhawan, and Rohit. So there is only one way of selecting five batsmen, right? So how many cases are these? These are four cases. So 20 cases were earlier. Four cases are these. Is there any other case? Yes, there is another case. What is the other case? The other case is when I am not playing Bumrah and Shami. So if I am not playing Bumrah and Shami, which means my two bowlers are Bhuvneshwar and Jadeja, right? So these can be selected in only one way. This can only be selected in only one way. Batsman can only be selected in only one way. अब मेरी टीम क्या बनी इस वक्त? अगर मैं आपको एक बार फटाफट से बताऊं, मेरी टीम बनेगी इस वक्त रोहित, धवन, राहुल, श्रेयस, मयंक, संजू, Jadeja, Pandya, Shami and Bumrah both are not there. Bhuvi, Ashwin and Chahal. So these are the players I have chosen. Who are the player rejected? Virat is rejected, Rishabh is rejected, Shami and Bumrah. These four players are rejected. Right. So this is another one combination. So the total number of ways are 25 ways. The total number of ways are 25 ways. The answer to first was 5. The second is 25. Perfect. Now that it says, see, now I have made out a lot of things. I think it will not be a difficult task now. Now they say on a grassy pitch, how many combinations are possible? On a grassy pitch, how many combinations are possible? I have to select two proper spinners and two fast bowlers. I have to select two proper spinners, right? Which means two proper spinner means I am taking both Ashwin and Bumrah, sorry, Ashwin and Chahal, and I am taking one from our Bumrah and Shami, and one from and one is Bhuvneshwar. So this is compulsion now. I don't have a choice. I have to select these. In how many ways I can select this? There are two ways. There are two ways in which I can select this. Now wicket keeper is one. Wicket keeper is definitely one. So 4 and 1, 5. I have to select 6 more people. I can either take two all-rounders. I can either take two all-rounders or I can take a batsman extra. Okay. If I am taking two all-rounders, this will again be the same case. If I am taking two all-rounders, no. If I am taking two all-rounders, then I am taking both Jadeja and Pandya. Right now, the wicket keeper will be selected in two ways, right? Because number of pacers will be equal to the number of spinners, right? So two cases here, one case here, two case here, and there were 5 ways to select the batsman. So I have to select 4 batsmen now. There are 5 ways, 5 to the 10 to the 20 ways. There are 20 ways up to now. Okay. Okay. Now let us say I am selecting only one all-rounder. I am either selecting Jadeja or I am selecting Pandya, right? So in both the cases, there are two options, and in both the cases, wicket keeper can be selected in only one way. There is only one way to select the wicket keeper. See, अगर आप जडेजा को select करते हैं, तो आपके पास फास्ट बॉलर्स 3 हो जाएंगे, जडेजा, बुमराह एंड भुवनेश्वर. There will be 3 fast bowlers. अगर आप पांड्या को select करते हैं, then there will be 3 spinners. So if there are 3 fast bowlers, 2 spinners, तो हमारे पास ऋषभ आ जाएगा. 3 fast bowler, 3 spinners, 2 fast bowler, तो हमारे पास दूसरा बंदा आ जाएगा. So this wicket keeper can now be selected in only one way, and I have to select 5 batsmen now. They can also be selected in only one way, that is to not select Virat. So the total number of cases are 4. These are 2 here and 2 here. So 20 cases earlier, when the number of fast bowlers were equal to number of spinners, 20 cases and 4 cases. The total cases are 24 cases. The total cases are 24 cases, right? Now, the answer to this is 24. This was 25 and this was 5. Let's see the last question. How many players who can bowl spin will play on flat track? On flat track, they will try to maximize the number of batsmen. So maximize the number of batsmen they will take 5 batsmen. 5 batsmen. Okay. They will take one wicket keeper. Okay. And they will take two all-rounders. Why will they take two all-rounders? Because they have to maximize the batsman. Remember, an all-rounder can bat. हमें दिया हुआ है all-rounder is someone who can bat as well as bowl. So all-rounder is also considered as a batsman, not a proper batsman though, but it can be done. So 5 and 1, 6 into 8 players are done. 8 players are done. And what I have to do? I have to now minimize the number of spinners. So if I have to minimize the number of spinners, I will maximize the pacers. So if I'm maximizing the pacers, Shami and again same Shami, Bumrah and Bhuvneshwar. So these two are fixed. The last player will either be Ashwin or Chahal. So how many spinners will play? One spinner is this all-rounder also, because he can bat as well as ball. So Pandya will definitely be there. Plus one from Ashwin or Chahal will be there. So in any case, there will be 2 spin bowlers who will be playing, right? So this completes our set. A very, very interesting one, guys. If you like the explanation, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Take care.